Hi, welcome to Olivia's World. Hi, today we're going to make a present and please subscribe to the channel.
Just like this. Hi everyone.
Say hi. That's what we're going to make. And this is, we're going to show you how to make it. We're going to make presents. So it might look like this.
Rubber bands, and you need some paper, and you need some scissors, and you need some paper clips, and you need some blue paper or green.
Wrapping paper and tape and a present in a box. To make one, we will show you. So first, cut it into the shape. So we're going to do it. So first, you have to cut it like this, like that. Second, grab what you have to grab your present that you're going to wrap, and then you're going to wrap all around. That might look just like this.
Or you could use something else.
And then you could fold two triangles, one on each side like this.
And
then we're going to fold another triangle that looks like this, and then like this, and like that. And then we're going to tape it.
but we have no tape.
So let us tape it. And it might look like this. Then you have to repeat for the other side. And we'll show you. It should look like this. So the next thing you'll have to do is put string on. And then it will look like this. And then you could add a bow if you want. And then you need some stickers that look like this. Then you could put these stickers wherever you want.
Yes, but we have to open it.
I know. And it'll look like this.
But we need a bow like this. See, we need a bow.
But we don't have a bow.
But
So if you don't have a bow, you could use the string.
But if we need a bow for the...
Then last step, give it to your friend.